there is another provisions available under the income tax, which are reopening of assessment. As of today, the assessments, when the assessments are over, even whether you are scrutinized or not scrutinized, a summary assessment has been made under 143(1), what we call, there could be a reopening of assessment within a 4 years period or within a 6 years period in a certain circumstances. Now they have reduced this period from 6 years or 4 years to 3 years period from the end of the assessment. So reopening of assessment can be maximum up to 3 years, but in a very special circumstances, which is it can be extended from 3 years to 10 years. So in a way, when there is no special circumstances arising, your reopening period, which was 4 years or 6 years, has come down to 3 years. So within the end of the 3 years assessment, you are fairly sure that now your case will not be open. Whatever has happened, whether rightly or wrongly, has been happened, and that's fine. Unless and until in a circumstances where the income escapement assessment is more than 50 lakhs, then only this 3 years can be extended to 10 lakhs. So if I have to analyze this overall scenario, they want to reduce the time period for a small people where the income escapement assessment would not be beyond 50 lakhs. But where the income escapement is more than 50 lakhs, in a way, they don't want to reduce the time period. In fact, they are extending the time period from 3 years to 10 years. So the message is very clear. SMEs, MSMEs, small income tax escapement, small income tax returners will accept it, even if there are small mistakes here and there. Income is escaping, will give a very small short time period for reopening powers to the government, to the officer or whosoever is the authority now. But in case the amount involves are high, if there are big tax evaders, if the big tax escapement is taking place, the time period is actually been extended from 3 years to 10 years. So this is the one.